Wait, you won't believe what you can create with just a paper cup and a couple of straws. Let's turn them into an adorable little bicycle. Add the wheels, connect the frame, and wow! It actually rolls! Isn't that amazing? Let's make something elegant. All it takes is a few folds and a few tiny cuts. These beautiful paper cut flowers bloom right before your eyes. They look so delicate and are perfect for decorating your room. Slowly open the paper, and wow! Let's make a tiny friend. Wrap a fluffy green pipe cleaner around a stick, add googly eyes, place it on a bright green leaf, and look how adorable it is. Meet this cute little caterpillar. Ready for something magical? Let's light things up with a beautiful butterfly lantern. Decorate it with layered butterflies. It's the perfect decoration for any cozy corner. And speaking of cute, wrap colored paper around the lantern, then switch on the light. Wow, look how the butterflies seem to come alive. How adorable is this little snowman? Grab a paper cup, add a bright red hat, a cozy scarf, cheerful face, and movable straw legs. Give it a gentle push. It's impossible not to smile. Now, let's create something truly impressive. This colorful flower ball may look complicated, but trust me, it's easier than you think. Fold each paper piece, join them together one by one. It's simple, playful, and guaranteed to make you smile. And suddenly, you've got a stunning hanging decoration that's sure to impress everyone. Next, let's cool things down. Nothing says summer like a juicy watermelon. Fold your paper into neat accordion pleats, paint those bright watermelon colors, a refreshing little fan that's just as fun to make as it is to use. It's simple, playful, and guaranteed to make you smile. Add a handle, and there it is. Now, how about a craft that loves to bounce? Here's a playful little paper horse. Build the spring base, such a simple craft with a delightful surprise. Attach the cute horse on top and give it a gentle tap. Boing! It happily bounces up and down. Now let's decorate for a celebration. Every celebration deserves a beautiful lantern. Fold, cut, and shape colorful paper. It's the perfect decoration for any cozy corner. And instantly your room feels brighter, happier, and full of festive cheer. Then add a lovely tassel to finish it off. And there it is. But wait, one more fun toy is coming! This rainbow ribbon spinner looks almost magical. Wow, look at those rainbow colors dancing through the air. It's relaxing, mesmerizing, and so much fun to watch. Secure the ends and give it a gentle spin. And finally, let's end with the cutest craft of all. How sweet is this bunny lantern? Switch on the light inside, and isn't that the cutest little lantern ever? Add those long bunny ears, big sparkling eyes, and a tiny smiling face. Which craft would you make first?